Samsung has numerous innovations in the AI field. On our channel, you had the opportunity to get to know some of the new features, and today I will show you another novelty on Samsung phones. It's about new editing capabilities for images. Namely, with this option, Samsung has enabled easy object separation from the image and their saving in various formats, as well as easy transferring from one image to another. So let's get started. Enter your phone's gallery. Open the desired photo. I will open a photo featuring a cat. Now I'll show you how to create a sticker from this cat. Long press on the object you want to cut out. In my case, the cat is now selected, and I can move it to another part of the image. In addition, you can use the cropped photo as a sticker. Click on Save as Sticker, and you'll get a sticker that you can later use on other photos. Additionally, you can choose a sticker style. You have several sticker styles to choose from. Select one of the styles or the original version and click on Done. This way, you have saved the sticker. And now I'll show you how to save the cropped part of the photo as an image. Long press on the object and select the three dots. Then select Save as Image. And you'll get a new photo without a background. It looks like this. Now I'll demonstrate this process on another photo. Now I'll long press on the bottle and click on Copy. Now I'll close this photo and open another one. In this photo, I'll add the bottle I copied from the previous photo. Long press on the photo, and the paste option will appear. Click on it, and the bottle will appear. You can position the pasted object as desired. If you want to save the photo, click on Save. The phone will save the photo with the made changes. But don't worry, you can revert to the original photo whenever you want. Now I'll long press on the vase. Among the options, I'll select Share. You can share the created images and stickers via social networks. And that's all. Keep following us. More tutorials on Samsung AI and social media are coming up. See you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything.